Good morning, guys. I'm back on my YouTube channel and I'm hoping to start vlogging every day. I have been gone because Beth, Jesse, and Madeline got into a car accident in the middle of May, and it was really bad, and Beth broke her foot really bad from pressing on the brake. So in the beginning there for a while, we were all just helping take care of Beth. So I stopped vlogging because I literally wasn't doing anything between sitting upstairs helping Beth and going to work and sleeping, so I stopped. But I'm back. Beth is better. She's walking and she can do like everything for herself now. So I am hopefully going to start vlogging again, and today Jesse's coming over and she's packing, and her and Johnny are moving. And I am hopefully going to start working on my table. I started working on it, but I didn't film any of it. And today I want to get farther and film more of it. And yeah, so now I'm gonna move my car so I have more driveway space and then start working on it. Where's your phone that's recording? Oh. Hey guys, clearly I look different. I just got ready. My brother-in-law is turning 30 in 2 days, and so he is having a birthday party out at a bar with a bunch of people. So I'm gonna go out to that now and go party with my sister and brother-in-law.
Alright, we're singing over here. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.